Hey treasure seekers, get ready to uncover the hidden treasures beneath your feet with OMMO metal detector. Let's take a look at the metal detector and see exactly what it gets us. Now we're going to look at the modes. There are 6 modes. It can recognize 6 types of metals. With so many modes, it's never difficult to find what you want. Adjustable sensitivity, high or low. It's all under your control. Adjustable stem, 27.5 to 49, is a big convenience for different height people. The biggest thing, 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, won't shut down suddenly while working. Next, the waterproof coil makes finding treasure underwater easier. Backlight plays a big role when dark. With this metal detector, many funny stories are there.